Hello everyone, this is Bhumika Parekh from Leal Public School and we are taking chapter number 22 from class 6 GK and the name of the chapter is Wildlife of India. In the last chapter we studied about the old animals who are still there, who are not extinct yet but have been living on the earth for quite a long time and some of them are also endangered. So the next chapter which we are taking is Wildlife of India, which shows the efforts that are being done to save the animals and to give them a more real life home like feeling. Okay, the first one is it is a forest and wildlife sanctuary in Gujarat. ठीक है, तो ये located कहाँ पर है? गुजरात में. It is the only home of Asiatic lions. Asiatic lions जो है वो सिर्फ यहीं पे ही मिलते हैं. That is one of the biggest identification you can do for this particular national park. It is one of the most important protected areas in Asia. Asiatic lions जो है वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ गिर फॉरेस्ट नेशनल पार्क में ही मिलते हैं, नॉट अ सिंगल प्लेस अदर देन दैट. ठीक है, तो ये अगर क्वेश्चन आता है which national park is a home to Asiatic lions, so your answer will always be Gir Forest National Park. Okay, the second one is it is one of the popular national parks in India. It is located in Amrei district of Madhya Pradesh. It has a rich flora and fauna. Flora and fauna means plants and animals. It is best known for scenic surroundings and larger population of tigers than any other park in India. ठीक है, सबसे ज्यादा टाइगर्स कौन से नेशनल पार्क में है इंडिया के अंदर? बंधवगढ़ नेशनल पार्क. ठीक है, बंधवगढ़ नेशनल पार्क. Then we have the third one. The national park is a world heritage site. मतलब जो यूनाइटेड नेशंस है, यूनेस्को जो है उसने इसको अपने प्रोटेक्शन के अंडर में लिया हुआ है. It is located in Golaghat and Nagaon districts of Assam. Golaghat और Nagaon districts के बीच का जो एरिया है, जो उनका बॉर्डर है, वहां पर ये है. These are two small districts in Assam. This park hosts 2/3 of the world's great one-horned rhinoceros. It is also popular for tiger, wild boar, hoolock, gibbon, campered, केप लंगूर एंड हॉग बैगर. ठीक है, जितने टोटल वन हॉर्न राइनोसोरस है उसकी जो 2/3 पॉपुलेशन है, दैट इज दिस नेशनल पार्क. तो वन हॉर्न राइनोसोरस अगर हम इंडिया में बात करेंगे तो देयर इज ओनली वन प्लेस दैट हैज इट, काजीरंगा नेशनल पार्क. ओके, वन हॉर्न राइनोसोरस आपको इंडिया के अंदर सिर्फ काजीरंगा नेशनल पार्क में ही मिलेगी. Then the next one is this national park is located in Uttar Pradesh. It is a part of Tiger Reserve. It is home to one of the finest sal forests in India. जो sal forest है, यहाँ पे जो sal के पेड़ है वो बहुत अच्छे किस्म के होते हैं, of very good quality and in very good quantity also. Some of these trees are more than 150 years old and over 21 meters tall. Some trees are even older than 150 years and their height can go up to 21 meters also. Tiger, panther, bird, chittal, nilgai, barking deer and hawk deer are found here. ठीक है, तो साल फॉरेस्ट इंडिया के अंदर सबसे बढ़िया और सबसे बड़ा नेशनल पार्क जो है वो, and it is also part of a tiger reserve. Tigers के लिए भी यहाँ पे special arrangements किए हुए हैं. ठीक है, that is दुधवा नेशनल पार्क. Okay, the name of the national park of Uttar Pradesh is Dudhwa National Park. Then we have it as a national park and tiger reserve. वापस ये भी एक tiger reserve है in Mandla and Balaghat districts of Madhya Pradesh. ये भी कहाँ पर है? मध्य प्रदेश में. It is considered as the greatest. It is considered to be the greatest national park of India. It is considered as the best national park of India. This national park provides inspiration to Rudyard Kipling for his famous novel The Jungle Book. जंगल बुक के अंदर मोगली हमने देखा है ना, मोगली के लिए जो जंगल बनाया गया था, या रुडयार्ड किपलिंग ने जो जंगल मोगली के लिए लिखा था, that inspiration he got from this park only, and the name of this national park is Kanha National Park. Okay. Then the sixth one, it was formerly known as the Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary. ये कहाँ का हो गया? हमारे राजस्थान का. ठीक है. It was formerly known as Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary and it is located in Bharatpur, Rajasthan. It is famous for water birds which includes cranes and migratory water. तो वाटर बर्ड्स जो है वो आपको यहाँ पे काफी देखने को मिलेंगे और बहुत दूर से हर साल यहाँ पे एक माइग्रेटरी वाटर फाउल्स नाम के जो बर्ड है वो भी आते हैं. This is also a World Heritage Site and it is one of the richest bird areas in the world. बाकी सारे तो जो नेशनल पार्क है उसके नाम टाइगर्स, लायंस, बियर्स ये सब देख रहे थे. This particular one is very famous for the birds it entertains. Okay, and the name is Keola Dev National Park. Keola Devi is a place nearby, तो वहां से इसका नाम पड़ा है Keola Dev National Park. Okay. Then it is the oldest national park in India. Which is the oldest national park in India? का कोई question अगर आएगा तो आप इसी का आंसर लिखो. It attracts a large number of tourists. It was established by Haley. It was established as Haley National Park, but later its name was changed. So initially इस water park का जो नाम है वो क्या था? Haley National Park. It is famous for tiger, sambar, leopard and elephant. ये कुछ animals यहाँ पे मिलते हैं. It is named after a famous hunter and conservationist. ठीक है, एक famous hunter और conservator था, उनके पीछे का नाम पड़ा है. And the name of this one is Jim Corbett National Park. The next chapter is Lurking in the Woods. Lurking in the Woods is a chapter about animals who are predators, means they live in the forest basically. तो wild animals है, कुछ wild animals के बारे में जो है वो information हम लोग लेंगे. The first one is grizzly bear. ठीक है, this picture is there. It seems like a very a huge and very scary kind of a bear. तो इसके बारे में अब हम पढ़ेंगे. It is a huge and powerful hunter of North America. So where is this grizzly bear found? In North America. It is usually about 2.5 meters long, but some may grow to over 300 meters. Normally, जो इनकी length होती है that is 2.5 meters, but they can also grow up to 3 meters. Okay. It hunts fish and kills large deer and bison if it gets the chance. ये generally fish खाते हैं और बड़ी जो deers है वो और bisons जो होते हैं kind of ox, वो अगर मिल जाते हैं तो उनको मारते हैं. It avoids humans generally but has been known to kill them. Generally they avoid humans, लेकिन अगर वो जाके इनको ज्यादा परेशान या irritate करते हैं तो there has been cases where they are being humans have been killed by grizzly bears. Okay. The next one is Wolverine. Most of you might know the name of Wolverine. I think it was in Avengers or some kind of a Marvel movie. It is there. It is called a glutton because of its habit of killing more than it needs and storing the food in snow. It is also known as glutton because it has a habit that it kills more than it needs for eating and then stores the food in snow. It can kill a reindeer and return to the carcass many times after it has all been eaten. एक reindeer मतलब जो पारस सिंहा होता है या kind of a deer, उसको मार के ये बार बार जा सकता है अपने मतलब जगह पे उसको पूरा खाने से पहले. तो मतलब जितना उसका डाइट है उससे काफी ज्यादा जो है वो ये खाता है, किल करता है. ठीक है. Then the next one is it's a short-tailed mammal. छोटी सी टेल का mammal है ये. It hunts a vast numbers of worms, insects and small mammals. छोटे mammals, worms, insects को बहुत ज्यादा जो है ये खाता है. Which are injected with fatal poison from its lower incisor teeth. ठीक है, नीचे के जो उसके दांत होते हैं उनसे एक फैटल पॉइजन मतलब बहुत ही खतरनाक पॉइजन जहर जो है वो निकाला जाता है and then it kills them by that poison only. Okay. The name of this particular animal is short-tailed shrew. क्या कहते हैं इसको? Short-tailed shrew. Okay. Then we have the next chapter topic number 4. The swamps and forests of North America are home to this mammal. जो नॉर्थ अमेरिका के जो फॉरेस्ट है और स्वैम्प्स मतलब ऐसी जगह जहाँ पे बहुत पानी पानी होता है, उसके ऊपर जो खेत मतलब जंगल है वो हुआ होता है, दलदल जैसी सी जगह, ठीक है. Of North America it is found. It is about 1 meter long from head to the base of its tail and has beautiful spotted coat. इसका जो length होता है that is 1 meter from head, means from the head it starts until the end of its tail. इसका जो length है that is 1 meter only and it has a very beautiful spotted coat. इस dot 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 का जो coat है वो बहुत सुंदर सा इसके लिए बना होता है. It is hunted for its fur. ठीक है, इसका जो फर है उसके लिए इसको हंट किया जाता है. प्रेज ऑफ रैबिट्स, रैट्स एंड अदर मैमल्स. रैबिट्स, रैट्स और जो दूसरे छोटे मैमल्स होते हैं उनको ये हंट करके खाता है. एंड व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर मैमल? बॉबकैट. ओके, इट इज नोन एज bobcat. It is usual. The next one is it is found across Europe, Asia and North America. ये जो है यूरोप, एशिया और नॉर्थ अमेरिका सब जगह मिलता है. It usually lives in forest where it hunts rabbits, birds and insects. ठीक है, तो rabbits, birds और insects जो है वो खाता है ये. However, in recent years, it has begun to live in cities where it preys on garden birds and raids dustbin of the food. ठीक है, अब धीरे धीरे it has started living in cities also, जहाँ पे गार्डन बर्ड्स के ऊपर या डस्टबिन से खाना निकाल के ये लोग खाते हैं. तो one concern which arises here is that the animals who used to live in the forest have started living in the city. The reason being that the forests are cut so impromptuously, क्योंकि उन्होंने ये भी नहीं सोचा कि these animals might need a space. और फिर जब ये animals they come to the cities, they are called animals and killed. Okay, तो उनको बोलते हैं कि जंगली जानवर है, इनको क्या पता चलता है, and they are killed. But the reason why they are coming here is the real human beings. Okay. Next one is it is famous for its ability to glide silently through the night. ठीक है, रात को चलने के लिए अपनी जो एबिलिटी है उसके लिए काफी ज्यादा फेमस है. It uses its skill to free flows to prey and seize them with its jaws. तो धीरे धीरे अपने प्रे के पास में आता है और सीधा उसको अपने जबड़े में पकड़ लेता है. In 1922, this is one real incident of 1922 that it killed a man quietly. इतना धीरे से एक इंसान को मारा कि पास 2 मीटर दूर बैठा जो दूसरा इंसान था वो जो है वो बिल्कुल कुछ भी सुन ही नहीं पाया कि वो इंसान जो है वो मरा गया. ठीक है. Then the name of this particular animal is leopard. ठीक है. Then the last one is the forest of Tasmania in Australia are home to this creature. Tasmania के जो forest है ऑस्ट्रेलिया में वहां पे ये रहता है ज्यादातर. It fights savagely when concerned. जब इसको छेड़ा जाता है तो ये बहुत जंगलियों की तरह जो लड़ाई है वो करता है. The stocky and muscular creature is about 1 meter long and preys on birds. The stocky means short-heighted and muscular, very heavily built animal. Is about 1 meter long and it preys both on bird, lizards and small animals. छोटे छोटे जो जानवर है वो सब ये खाता है. What is the name of this particular animal? Tasmanian devil. ठीक है, devil because it is really aggressive. That was it for this chapter. We'll go to the next chapter. The next chapter is a bit different in context, but we'll take it today. The next chapter is spices. Spices आप सबको पता है मसाले हैं जो हम सबके घर में हम लोगों को मिलते हैं, हम सबने देखे. तो there's nothing more. ये सिर्फ छोटी छोटी पिक्चर्स है जो आपको दिखाई जाएगी. You just have to identify them. I'll give you the name of most of this in Hindi also, but if some I'll not know, then we can't help. The first one is aniseed. Aniseed is basically, okay, the first one is aniseed. The second one is black pepper, काली मिर्च जिसको कहते हैं. Aniseed is a सौंफ नहीं होती ग्रीन कलर की, फेनल भी सौंफ होती है और ये भी सौंफ होती है, दोनों के सिर्फ जो साइज होता है उसके अंदर थोड़ा सा फर्क होता है। द थर्ड वन इज कार्डमन, ठीक है, कार्डमन इज इलायची, ठीक है, ये सूखी पुरानी जो इलायची होती है वो है। तो फोर्थ वन है सिनेमन, जिसको दालचीनी कहते हैं। तो फिफ्थ वन है क्लोव, जिसको लौंग कहते हैं। द सिक्स्थ वन इज ग्रीन कार्डमन, हरी इलायची जो है वो ये अलग होती है। सेवेंथ वन इज टर्मरिक, ठीक है, हल्दी जिसको कहते हैं। एथ वन इज nutmeg. I also don't know the proper name of nutmeg in Hindi. And the ninth one is red chilies, लाल सूखी मिर्ची जो होती है वो, ठीक है। And this picture which is here to the bottom is saffron. Okay, I hope you can identify all these spices from the pictures now. Okay, and all the three chapters were clear to you. Thank you so much.